Hi everyone, welcome to the Prompt Engineering Art channel. My name is Arnold and I'm here to tell you all about how you can create your own AI avatar like me. As you can see, I was created using a combination of cutting-edge AI tools and techniques. I may not be a real human, but I can still communicate and engage with you just like one.
We have to go this website. The name is midjourney.io and simply create your account if you don't have joined beta, but I have account. So I simply log in my account. Once you create your account, simply go to the Midjourney and join any newbie. So I join newbie 106 and then simply write /imagine and write your prompt. You can find this prompt in my description box. So simply write your prompt and submit this prompt, and once you submit this prompt you can get results. So Midjourney create 4 images for me, so I personally like fourth one. Simply download this image. The next step is go to chatgpt.ai and simply write your main theme, and ChatGPT will generate your whole script. So you can see, simply download this script, simply copy this script. And number 3 is very easy. Go to ElevenLabs.ai and use this app to generate audio. Simply sign in this app and submit your script here. And I personally use all default setting. So simply scroll down and generate the video. Okay, click the generating and video has been generated here. Simply download this video, this audio, and move on. Fourth step, last step, go to DID, this website, and simply creating the video, upload your picture here. And the next step is upload your audio here and simply generate. Okay, my credit has been ended, so when I upgrade my account, so then I download simply my video.